Good morning, everyone. We continue here in the words of the RAMBAM, Hilchos Yesod HaTorah. Today we are beginning the third chapter, and Ois Aleph, letter Aleph, number 1. And the RAMBAM really goes into a somewhat of an astronomical discussion over here of the nature of the heavens. And it seems to be that the reason the Rambam is going on this is just that we should understand the vastness and the infinite world, so to speak, that HaKadosh Baruch has created. As we were talking about in the last chapter, the tremendous might of Hashem and how it's impossible to understand Hashem, how He is infinite. And here you see, from the way the Rambam will describe the power of this world and the intricacies of this world, how Hashem created it, it hopefully will give us even more of an appreciation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu's awesome nature. And he writes, HaGalgalim, the spheres, which the celestial beings, Heiman Nikrem Shemayim, are called the heavens, V'rakia, and the firmament, Uzvul, habitation, Va'aravos, and the skies. Okay? There are 9 spheres, there are 9 celestial orbits, maybe we'll call it, altogether. Galgal HaKaraiv Mimenu, the Galgal, the sphere that is closest to us, Hu Galgal HaYerech, that's the moon. V'hasheni Shelamali Mimenu Hu Galgal Sheba HaKoichav HaNikra Koichav, and the sphere that which is above that is that which contains the planet Kochav. Now, what is the planet Kochav? So that the commentators say the Rambam is really going through all the planets, and that is just means it's a star or a planet. And then says the Rambam, the Gagal Shlishi Shalamayla Mimenu Sheboy Noiga. What is Noiga? It means it's referring to, the first one, the star, is referring to Mercury. The second one, Noiga, is referring to Venus. And then you have V'gagal Revi Sheboy Chama. Then the next one you have is the Chama, which is really the sun. So that's the next is the sun. Then you have the 5th sphere, and that says the Rambam, V'gagal Chamishi Sheboy Ma'adim. It's red. Red, we know, is, here he's learning over here that it means Jupiter. Oh, I'm sorry. It means Mars. Mars is the red planet. V'gagal shishi shebay koichav tzedek. Then the 6th one, which is the star of justice, that's referring to Jupiter. V'gagal shvi shebay shabtai. Shabtai means Saturn. It's like Shabbos, Saturn. V'gagal shmini shebay shar kol hakoichav mishinir berekia. And then the next one, which has all of the firmament, which has the rest of the stars that are in the sky. And then the next one, he says, is the star or the planet that is going every single day, and it's going which revolves each day from east to west, and that is going to be the Shechina, that's the way it is understood over here, that's moving around from place to place, and it surrounds and it encompasses everything. And that's what he's saying over here, Humakiv u'misavev es hakol. V'zeh shetir kol kochav kiluhim kulam v'gagal echad. And this, that they all appear to be in one sphere, even though one is above the other, they're all in the same orbital planet. Because the spheres are pure and they are refined like glass, or kisapia like sapphire. Therefore you can see even the 8th sphere, like it's right underneath the first one, because they're all right there around and they're clear and you can see them. Again, the Rambam is not coming to tell us that he's an astrologer. The Rambam is going to tell you how massive and how incredible the universe is, and how HaKadosh Baruch Hu worked everything out that it falls into place exactly the way that it should. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful Yom Tov.